Just this morning, Apple released their brand new AirPods Pro that are priced at $250 and are already available to order on their website. So in this video, we're gonna tell you literally everything you need to know about how they work and how they compare to the regular AirPods. First off, the AirPods Pro come with a wireless charging case, so it's actually just $50 more than the AirPods, and from the looks of it, you truly get a lot for the extra money. They feature a brand new design with a shorter stem, and they come with 3 sizes of silicone ear tips that plug into your ears. So they create a seal for better, deeper bass, and they'll have a better fit compared to regular AirPods, which don't fit very well in some people's ear canals. The vents on the outside of the AirPods Pro equalize the pressure inside of your ears, so you'll never feel like your ears are plugged like you do with some other silicone tip earphones. They offer some very cool features like active noise cancellation and active EQ tuning, which I'll talk about in just a minute. There's also a new force sensor on the stem, which allows you to control all of your music by pressing on it instead of tapping on it like before. Press once to play, pause or answer a phone call, press twice to skip forward, press 3 times to skip backward, and press and hold to switch between noise cancellation mode and transparent mode, which basically uses the microphones to listen to ambient sound around you and play it directly into your ears, just like the Live Listen feature. And of course, there's also Hey Siri support for volume and music controls. Now, one of the biggest complaints of the regular AirPods was that they just didn't sound like a $200 pair of earphones, and it seems like Apple is finally fixing that. The last version of AirPods were only able to produce bass at a low frequency of around 65 Hz, but this year's AirPods can go all the way down to 20 Hz, which means seriously deep bass reproduction. The active noise cancellation uses microphones to listen to noise up to 200 times per second, and then the AirPods Pro send anti-noise signals to counter and eliminate it. The adaptive EQ feature uses microphones to automatically tune the sound to the shape of your ear, so you get a wide soundstage all the time, no matter how your ear canals are shaped. The new speaker drivers use the same technology as Apple's HomePod to deliver distortion-free bass, and the inward-facing microphone actually listens for distortion and then adjusts the frequencies to make sure there is never any distortion. Apple also boasted about their new high dynamic range amplifier, so the sound quality should be improved as well. AirPods Pro also come with the new H1 chip for reduced Bluetooth lag, improved power efficiency, support for Hey Siri, and a more stable connection. This allows for things like streaming music to 2 separate pairs of AirPods from just one iPhone that's updated to iOS 13. The AirPods Pro are also IPX4 sweat and water resistant, just like the Powerbeats Pro. And for the battery life, you get the same 5 hours as the regular AirPods if you're not using the noise cancellation features. But if you are using them, the battery life only gets reduced by half an hour, which is really impressive. Not only that, but you actually get half an hour more talk time during calls than the regular AirPods do. And charging the AirPods Pro for just 5 minutes gets you an extra hour of listening time. Now, if you include the charging case, you actually get over 24 hours of listening time, just like the regular AirPods. And the case itself has actually gotten a little bit bigger. It's the same thickness as before, and it actually got a bit shorter, but it's quite a bit wider than before. The main thing is that it didn't get thicker, so it'll still feel very comfortable in your pocket. And once again, I do want to mention that it supports wireless charging using any Qi compatible charger. Now, unfortunately, the case still uses a Lightning port for charging, but at least it comes with the Lightning to USB-C cable in the box for use with the new 18-watt USB-C charger that comes with the iPhone 11 Pro. Now, if you don't already have a USB-C power adapter, I'll drop a link down below on a very good deal on an 18-watt USB-C charger. The AirPods Pro are already available to order right now on Apple's website, and we'll be getting our pair delivered this Thursday. So if you want to see some in-depth testing videos, make sure to click that subscribe button below. So with all the specs out of the way, let me give my personal thoughts on what matters about the AirPods Pro and if they're actually worth the extra $50. There were 3 main issues with the original AirPods. People didn't like the long stem design, the unique shape didn't fit all ear canals, so people who actually really wanted to use AirPods couldn't use them. And finally, the sound quality wasn't as good as other earphones in the same price range. It now seems like Apple has attacked all 3 of these issues, shortening the stems, making the fit customizable with 3 sizes of silicone tips, and they seem like they've worked on the sound quality as well, especially with the new adaptive EQ and active noise cancellation features. The design itself has changed just enough with the new stem design, new black styling on the outside, and the new case, so you can easily tell the AirPods Pro from the regular AirPods. You're also getting some added features like water resistance and a much better control system than before, with a new force sensor. I personally think that the best part about these earphones is that they use the microphones to actively adjust the frequency of sound as well as the noise cancellation, so that each user gets high quality sound no matter how their ears are shaped. That's something you can't get with any other earphones right now, so with all those added features, I think the extra $50 is definitely worth it for the AirPods Pro over the regular AirPods. And thanks to the already great reputation of the original AirPods, especially for reliability, people know that the AirPods Pro are gonna work great. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments below, and if you want to see us unbox the AirPods Pro on Thursday and compare them to the AirPods 2, click that circle above to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.